All right, peoples, happy Halloween. Got a little box opening for you today, a little quickie, because we all can use more porn on a little bit of knife porn on YouTube. So here's my little Halloween bling. Got the little hematite skull. This is all on my iPhone, by the way. I made a little lanyard to go with my Emerson. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck my iPhone underneath my chin and open this box up for you. Hopefully it'll work. Whoops. Oh, falls again. Maybe this isn't such a good idea, but that's all I got. That'll be good enough, as long as I don't stab myself. All right, here we go. Put that out there. What do we got? Oh, yes indeed. Here we go. Cutlery shop. The Leatherman. Yes. Oh, and some candy too for Halloween. There you go. So let me put that back under my chin. So this is the one that Nothing Fancy was talking about. It's the Xe6. I don't know if that's in focus or not. So bet I can use an extra one. So nice. I've got a few multi-tools. I don't know if any of them are Leathermans, but I need more for my work bags and stuff. Let's take a look at this guy right here. Very nice. And oh, so smooth. You wonder, people don't hold shit in their hands enough on YouTube to give you an idea how big things are. This thing's a good size. It's a good width plier, not bad. I'm always fussy about the Phillips head screwdriver, so let's take a look at that. I've got to learn how to open this thing. There we go. Hey, that's a healthy Phillips head. Look at that. That is a good size Phillips head. Let me get it so you guys can see it a little bit better. It's a good thickness, not too wide, and not too thin. I like it. Anyway, I'm going to mess around with it. Who the hell needs a corkscrew opener anymore? Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.